Today I have with me my assistant Mary, and we're going to show you how to make 3 high-protein, healthy snacks. Add milk to the blender. Frozen fruit. Greek yogurt. Whey protein powder. Ice cubes. Now blend. Add almond butter. No sugar added chocolate chips. Oats. Brown flaxseed. Sugar-free maple syrup. Stir to combine. Place this in the refrigerator for 20 minutes so that it's easier to roll. Roll into balls. These can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees, then to a standalone mixer, add almond flour, protein powder, baking powder, and salt. Mix until combined. Add sugar-free maple syrup, eggs, coconut oil, almond milk, and vanilla extract to the same bowl and mix again. Spray 2 donut pans with cooking spray. Then spoon the batter into the pan. Bake for 10 minutes or until the donuts spring back when lightly pressed. When your donuts are finished baking, allow them to cool in the pan for 2 minutes, then remove them from the pan and place them on a wire rack to complete cooling. While they are cooling, make your icing. Add reduced fat butter, confection sweetener, almond extract or any extract that you prefer, and low-fat milk to a stand mixer and blend on high until smooth. Once the donuts are completely cool, you can frost your donuts. Then you can put sprinkles on top if you like. Now place your donuts on a wire rack to allow the glaze to firm up. Thanks for joining us today. I'll put in the description links to where the recipes are on my website because there's some additional details there that you might be interested in. And if you'd like to see more healthy snack videos, click or tap the screen. Bye for now.